how to log in or sign in into your BeReal app or account on your device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a brand new video of BeReal app. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can log in into your BeReal account. In order to log in or sign in into a BeReal account, you need to make sure that you've already installed the application or that you've updated the application. If you haven't installed or updated the application, then head over to your Play Store and then on the search box type in BeReal. If you haven't installed the application, then click on the install button, and if you have already installed the application, then tap on the update button. After updating the application, open up your BeReal application, and this is how the interface is going to look like. If you want to skip this part, then you can do that as well, or you can simply tap on continue. After that, you'll be taken to the login interface where you'll need to provide in your first name. Now once you're done entering your first name, just click on the continue button, enter in the date of birth associated with your BeReal account, and you'll need to enter in the phone number associated with your BeReal account. So type in the phone number, first thing select your country's code. Now enter in the phone number. So once you're done entering your phone number, click on the continue button right at the bottom, and if the provided information is valid, then you'll successfully log in into your BeReal account. In this way, you can log in into your BeReal account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.